Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we're going to go through some steps that's going to help you to claim your $150 gift from Samsung for pre-ordering the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, before we get started, you got to download the Samsung Shop app off of the Google Play Store, and it should be in the Galaxy Store on your smartphone app. All right, with that being said, once you get that downloaded and you get it on your phone, you're going to see a page like this. It's going to say pre-order and get more. Now, to get started, we got to tap on this menu bar right here. Go down to the bottom to where it says My Inbox. Once you do that, it's going to not say View My Status. I've already filled up my information. It's going to say See If I'm Eligible. You want to tap on that. Now you'll see a page where you have to put in all your information. After you put in your information, it's going to ask you where did you get it from. And you're going to put down whether it was Best Buy, Sprint, Verizon, or wherever you got it from. Put that information in. Then it's going to ask you the date as well. So you have to put the date in. Once you finish, down at the bottom, you should see submit. Then you should see where it says register. After you register, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all. Now you have to wait for them to approve whether you're eligible for this $150 gift. Now it's going to ask you to take a picture of your receipt or the information that's in your email if they sent your receipt in the email. You take a picture of that, that's going to send it to Samsung, and Samsung is going to approve whether you're good or not for this free gift that they're offering you for pre-ordering the Galaxy Note 10 or the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.